from no matter what background you come from and you land in Croydon, you'll be able to get what you want. If it's down to food products, hair products, you understand, you can get it. Look how beautiful. These are like imported pumpkin that we've got here as well, you understand?
Right, this is part of the Whitgift Foundation, and it's the almshouses where residents live. But it's the head office of the foundation itself, which have lots of properties round Croydon. It was set up by the Archbishop of Canterbury in 1596 when they lived.
These are local shopkeeper. How is the local community of Croydon?
Very good people. Croydon is a very good place.
Salmon, sea bass, sea bream, ladyfish, jackfish, ilsha, butterfish, tilapia.
Peace and blessing to everyone. Peace and blessings to everyone. What a beautiful start to the day, everybody. I thought I'd give you something different today. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. We're there. Yes, people, I hope you guys have enjoyed the new theme track that's out. It's uploaded on the platform now. Also, look out for the new video that's going to be coming out relating to the theme track as well, everybody. Yeah, man, look out for that. Look out for that new music video as well, everybody. Where are we right now? We're down by the river, people, yeah? What a blessings. Give thanks and praises to the Most High. Yeah, man. This is something different today, people. Do not come off. I want each and every one of you that's on the journey with Ringo Vision to stay tuned, people, yeah? Big up yourself. I hope you guys are having a blessed start to your day. Have had a wonderful week and a wonderful week to come as well. Good vibes. Yes, everyone. So, yeah, man. I thought I would like to give you guys a little bit about Ringo today. Cause we're on the channel, we're cooking every time. You understand, people? I wanted to tell you guys a little bit more about me, yeah? And what I like to do in my spare time. In my spare time, I like to take natural walks, go for walks, you understand? Hold a meditation, you understand? Just have reasonings with the universe, the creator, people. More time I take my walk and I choose different locations. I like to be out in nature a lot. That's why you see I try to put the channel as much as possible outside, yeah? You can see the weather now in London. Look, I've got my Wellington boots on, everybody. As you can see, look, I've got my Wellington boots on. So I come out today to just a day vlog with Ringo Vision. You understand, people? Our good vibes. Yes, everybody, so I'm still on my journey. Just reaching into the Croydon town centre, West Croydon. Our good vibes, big up yourself, you don't know, say. Yeah, man, it's a Sunday vibration. Things you can do in Croydon. Wow, what's going on over there? Look like some film production is happening just over there. Our good vibes. Hello?
Hi.
Is there making a movie?
No, TikTok.
TikTok?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a cool project.
I'm doing my YouTube vlog for the day. I got a cooking channel on YouTube. Yes, people, just outside. I just let this lady. What's your TikTok?
My TikTok.
Yeah.
Well, I don't have TikTok, but yeah, we're doing a film project, a school for TikTok.
Okay, tell us what it is.
What it is? It's about an immigrant, a Portuguese immigrant experience in London.
Okay.
Has big dreams, but yeah, ends up as a delivery driver.
And there's a lot of obstacles on the journey, right?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
So what's the name of it so that we can look out for it? Because I'm going to be posting this.
It's called Benny.
Benny.
His name is, which is this guy, the actor playing Benny.
Yeah.
Which is a short name for Bernardo, a Portuguese name. But in England, he's Benny.
You hear that, people, yeah?
Because you guys have trouble saying Bernardo, right?
Bernardo.
Bernardo. Yeah.
Good vibes, good vibes. Yes, people, as you can see, we're outside. Look, production crew's just over there. And you're the director, right?
Correct.
She's the director.
Yeah.
And there's the actor. Big up yourself. Good vibes. Yeah, good vibes, you know. video I go on down this, as you can see, I passed through lovely people there. Yeah man, a good vibes. So I just touched into the town of West Croydon, as you can see there, people. Yeah, what can we do in West Croydon? What I'm looking for, a porridge. So let's go and get a porridge. Good vibes. Yes people, are good vibes. Yeah man, go and get a porridge quickly. So go on, yeah sir. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. As you can see that it's a wet Sunday in West Croydon, Sunday morning, Sedway, good vibration, people are actually doing what they do. You understand what the work are going over there, so Sedway, coming out, there's going to be a new shop opening up. Good vibes, waiting for the porridge somewhere. Just grab up a fry over dumpling, overnight fry over dumpling and sell in a shop. So good vibes. Alright, so we have the best thing right now, which is the porridge, people. Are good vibes. So get 1-2 more things and we're on our journey. Big up yourself, yeah man. West Croydon. Stop here so quickly. Get 1-2 more next things as well, as you can see where I've gone. As you can see, say the weather is proper wet out here. So what I'm gonna do, yeah, I'm gonna get 1-2 little things to build up your immune system as well at the same time, like some turmeric, some ginger, and some lime, people. Yeah man, a good vibe. So I'm just gonna have that with me as well. Big up yourself. Everyone, so just a few things that I'm going to be using to build up your immunity. So I've got the Scotch bonnet pepper, the susumba, I've got the ginger, I've got the turmeric, everybody, I've got the lime, everybody. Good vibe. So that's just for my personalness, what I want to do to just keep my immune system, boost it up. These local ingredients there are natural, and that's what I'm going to be using today, people. Yeah, big up yourself. I'm Deyasa in Eurofruiters in West Croydon, people. You can come here, West Croydon. They've got all the local ingredients from all around the world. You understand, people? Like the imported pumpkin and certain other things. You understand? There's garlic, so the yam down there, people. Yeah, you got the coconut. You've got the sour sap in here as well, everybody. You understand, the okra. We've also got yeah man, in back home, the tuna, innit? Yeah, the tuna as well. You understand, the tuna is good for loads of different things. You can use it to wash your hair, you can use it for food as well, to make drink as well. Look on that one there, wow, the one there beautiful, and it's coming like it's growing. If you buy this one, you can plant it, you see that? So you're getting a one that'll grow as well at the same time. Big up yourself. Yeah, we're there as a people, and then obviously you've got the aloe vera that you can also, understand, and there's some cocoa, other things in here, but today we're just focusing today on these local health ingredients here, people. Yeah, big up yourself. Yes, I'm happy. I'm fully happy with this. So I've got myself a porridge, and I've got myself some food health immune boost, people. Yeah, big up. Yes, everybody, so yeah man, I've got my porridge this morning and I've got my health ingredients. As this is a food channel and we're out vlogging, we'll still involve the food into the thing as well. Big up yourself. So yeah, we're in West Croydon, and West Croydon, what I want to say about being in Croydon, people, yeah, Croydon is a very diverse place. It's a very look at that, the pumpkin is so beautiful. Croydon is a very diverse place, and it's got loads of different people in this community here. So you've got Asian community, African, Caribbean community, European community, and it's such a diverse place that it's offering things for each and every one of us. But from no matter what background you come from and you land in Croydon, you'll be able to get what you want. If it's down to food products, hair products. You understand? You can get it. Look how beautiful. These are like imported pumpkin that we've got here as well. You understand? The community of Croydon is a very diverse community. It's a loving community. Despite all the news that we hear happening inside and around the community, there is still love here inside of the community and positiveness. There are people still out here running their business, trying to support and provide for the local community on a positive way, in a positive way, to make sure that efficiently we as Afro-Caribbeans and other people that come from other walks of life can come out and get the right things that we need, that also we will be using back home. Whichever native country you come from, Croydon is the place where you could come and shop and get the things that you want. Will be imported, but they're coming from back home, from your local country. You understand? From your local farmers. Big up yourself. Euro Fruiters as well, you can come and check them out in West Croydon, people, yeah? Big up yourself. Good vibes. It's diverse, everybody. On the high street, you can see what's happening on the high street. It's quite early throughout the day, so on other days it may be a lot busier. You understand, people? But we're actually in the heart of West Croydon right now. As you can see, this morning I was taking the walks earlier. I went down to the riverside. You understand? I'm out right now. You understand, people? So I have good vibes. So as you can see right here, so it's West Croydon train station. So as you can see, as you come out, you drop right here. This is the heart of West Croydon, and I'm just going to give you a quick little tour, things and what you can do and places to go in West Croydon as well. You understand, people? Yeah, in Croydon area. Big up yourself. So this road that we're on right now is actually called London Road, which leads you all the way down to Fortneath Pond, down to take you into Norbury and Fortneath. And as you got here, we're going to take ourselves right into Croydon High Street itself. You understand? Good vibes. Before, there's a diverseness of things that you can get in Croydon. As you can see, is offering all these range of products for mobile phones down to even portable Bluetooth speakers, all them kind of things there, people. Yeah, all these gimbals for the phone, stands for the phone, cases for the phone. You understand? And also they do phone repair in there, and also you've got the Western Union and RIA where you can send money worldwide. Good vibes. So Croydon is offering them things there. This is the next phone shop in Croydon, so you know that Croydon's are offering a lot of different things for the community. You understand, people? As well as food. You understand? It's also offering you the small kind of technology, household technology, like Bluetooth speakers, phones, loads of different mobile phones you can get here, phone cases you can get in here as well. You understand, people? And they also do phone repairs in there as well. Yeah, man, it's a good vibes. You've got mobile phones in there for sale as well. You can get other little things for the car as well. So Croydon's the place where you can come and you may need certain things. You can come here and get this. So this shop here is right by the train station, people. And they also do, look, print, scan, copy, internet cafe as well. Good vibes. So we've got some construction here happening in West Croydon. So as you can see, that there's development going on. New houses, look at that. Wow, new houses, high rise. So you know that Croydon is offering goodness for the people after going across the road because the bus driver want to lick me down. Alright, I've got you on camera. It's Sedway. At the start of the high street, you got fishmongers here in West Croydon. How you doing, guys? Good, bro. Basically, I'm just highlighting what is available in Croydon. I'm letting them know that you can come here and go to the local fishmongers. Yeah. You understand? So we're here. The train station is just there, people. And just as you come out the train station and come up the road, you've got our local fishmongers. And they also provide butcher as well. So you can also come here and get your meat.
Salmon, sea bass, sea bream, ladyfish, jackfish, ilsha, butterfish, tilapia, agony sniper, and this red bream. Too much fish, brother.
Too much fish, yeah. Too much fish, too much fish. You see that, people? So it's a good vibes. Croydon is a wonderful and beautiful community. Happy and cheerful people, yeah? Alright, good vibes. Now, this shop here is a type of shop for the women them, for the females them. You understand? Look, as I said, look, you got shops here in Croydon that's offering you a variety of products where you can come into a shop like this in Croydon and get all your essential, from hair products down to, look, all the lashes for the females. Look, for the guys that want to do the shaving and whatnot, you can come in here and buy your shavers. They've got other essential oils that they provide as well. This is basically health and beauty section. Croydon is a place that's offering a diversity of every single thing for all backgrounds, whether you're Chinese, Indian, white, black, pink, blue, wherever you come from. Croydon's got things here for each and every one of you. As I showed you earlier, we went into the shop, we got some Caribbean food, and we're here now, and this is like a hair shop, healthcare shop. Look, all the ranges of dax and wax for your hair, you understand? Good vibes, big up yourself, people. Yes, so
Hey, bro. How
this is
are
our
you?
local shopkeeper. How is the local community of
Very,
Croydon?
very good people. Croydon is a very good place. Very nice people, calm people. They just mind their own business.
And people come and happy.
Of course.
You understand,
we give
people?
them good products. You see, this lady is buying earrings and studs. She's a pretty lady, but look more beautiful.
All right, you see that, people. So like I'm saying to you, you can come to Croydon. Croydon is a very diverse town. This is as you come out the train station and you walk up the road, you've got Ace. You understand? Telephone number there, so you can contact them as well, people, yeah? Good vibes. Yes, everybody, I'm back outside again. The weather is not a joke, but look, I got my Wellington boots on today and I'm kind of prepared for the weather. So yeah, I'm back on the high street. It's a Sunday, it's wet. The shops don't open till 11 o'clock anyway, so people are probably waiting outside the shops for the shops to be opening to do their little Sunday shopping. See Marks and Spencer's there. People are outside waiting. Yeah man, I have good vibes. Oh, they actually open still. Yeah man, good vibes. You know what? I have to just take a stroll through Marks and Spencer's because outside is peak, and because I'm gonna be out for the day and I don't have an umbrella, I'm gonna walk through the Marks and Spencer's to get through to the other side so that I can walk through the centre and show you the shopping centre as well. Yeah man, a good vibe. Rasta, bless. Yeah. Local supermarket in West Croydon, offering a variation of different things, people. As you can see, this is the season that we're in right now as well. So there's a lot of pumpkin and all them kind of things there out. Big up yourself, everybody that's locked in 24-hour kitchen. We're there. I'm just gonna go to the bakery section. Yeah man, our good vibes. Local supermarket here is also offering a variation of household stuff as well. You understand? As you can see, like towels, flannels. Yeah man, a good vibe. But let me get down to the baking section, because I'm looking for something fresh to go with my porridge that I just bought everybody. A good vibes. Big up yourself. What's better than a croissant in the morning? Woohoo! All butter croissant. So I'm gonna grab myself a croissant, people. Yeah, big up yourself. Good vibes. Alright, so I've got it. Got my croissant. As you can see, they've got a few more fresh bacon. They've got fine wine, all them kind of things there. Look, frozen section over there. Also got a next section right here. Good vibe. Let's go to the cashier quickly and get back outside, people, and show you what's going on and the things that you can do in Croydon, people, yeah? But they are good. Whoa! Look at that. Yeah, man, some next drinks and next things, them. Good vibes. So I'm getting some help with the self-checkout here for the croissant. Good vibes. Yeah, man, so mashing up the croissant quickly, same time. It's a Sunday, it's raining. The shopping centre is very quiet, almost stagnant, people. But there's a redevelopment that's going on with this whole shopping centre. I think they're going to be adding like a Westfields to the Whitgift Centre and changing everything up. So look, pardon our appearance while we carry out essential works. So there's works going on inside of the centre. So normally the centre is nice and busy, fully active. But yeah man, outside coming like it more busy than inside. Good vibes. Share this one. You look at Croydon and no one ever breaks out from the crowd. Hopefully people can now see me and it will inspire them. Good vibes. Oh, what you see, people. Yeah, man, you find inspiration from it. Good vibes. All right, so we come back out of the Whitgift Centre, the shopping centre, from the end down there, from the other side. Because basically, I didn't want to walk down the high street because of the rain, but I'm on the other side of the high street now, and they've got another centre here. Through there, you got House of Fraser, and that centre there is called Central. So we go through the two centres, people. Here, you got one centre there. You got the high street where I just came through there, the hair product and the healthcare. Yeah, man, are good vibes. And this is the other end of the high street. You got Primark and certain other stores down there and banks, and yeah, man, are good vibes. We're there. So this centre here seemed to be a bit more busier than the other one. Maybe because it's got like a big department store in here as well. So are good vibes. The home to Crystal Palace, we're there, South London. Next powerful message, never mind the concert, the talent is here. You're watching the talent, people, yeah? Are good vibes, pick up yourself. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, watch it. Alright, people, so the bling section. So there's a bling section in Croydon offering a variety of gold, diamond, rare, different type of jewelry, people, yeah? I could buy them. Pop in quickly and pop out again. This is the gold section of Croydon, people, so you can come into Croydon and you can also come and buy jewelry as well if you want to jazz up and you want to bling up your thing, you want to turn up your appearance in certain ways. You can come to this shop here. Space inside of the Central are good vibes. Alright, so we've done a full 360 of the shopping centre. So down that end there is where I begun, but I went on the inside and the other shopping centre. So now I just come through this shopping centre to show you a few things while I go on in here. But we're gonna go back on the outside, but the weather is terrible out there today, people, yeah? Are good vibes. It's 11 o'clock on the dot now. As you can see, the shops them just open up. On a Sunday, you can't trade in these big stores here and open up your business place before 11 a.m. So now you can go into the stores, sports shop there, homeware here, good vibe, then back on the outside. Yes, I'm telling you, today is one of them days. If you step out in it, you have to get wet in it. Look, I just took out the porridge now, and I'm like, raw, yeah, Ringo. Let's show everybody else Wagwan in a Croydon. But now I tell you, it's a washout today in a Croydon, yeah, people, yeah. A good vibe, said way. We're there. Yeah, man, just a mash up the oats and peanut porridge now, people, yeah. Yeah, man, a good vibe. Big up yourself. Beautiful people are the world, yeah. Life is creation. Life is creation, yeah. Beautiful people are the world, yeah. Life is creation. Life is creation, yeah. Yes, people, so yeah, man, it's just a little walk through Croydon. You've got the butchers there. Yeah, man, you've got the fishmongers over here as well. Next fishmongers. Next butchers in there. Good vibes. Fishmongers in there. Yeah, man, we're there, people. Croydon does have a diversity of things for different communities. You understand? Yes, boss. You can see over here, said way, look, yam, everything. You understand? It's not like the weekday market, it's Sunday. So the shops will look a bit different still, people, yeah? Like the major market is not open, that you'd have like the fruit stalls and everything, but you still have other stalls that are open that's offering different things. Good vibes. So guess what, people, after all that walk there and travelling, where we take the thing back to. Take the thing back outside to a look a bit more nature, people, car. More time, I tell you, say, it doesn't matter what kind of weather it is. I still appreciate what I go on out here, people, yeah? No matter if it's raining or whatnot, fling on the wellies, still come out. You understand? Good vibes. Step into the environment. The beauty of trees. We're in autumn in England as well. So guess what I go on? Leaves are falling off the trees. So everything's starting to turn like brown, from green to brown. Yeah, man, and it's like I said, it's a proper rainy day today. But because we've got the Wellington on, it doesn't matter about the puddles, people, and the mud and whatnot, because we're fully prepared for this beautiful nature, this beautiful day. Yeah, man, our good vibes. Wow. Right down by the riverside, you know, people. Yeah. Crows have been looking for food down there, Sedway. Yeah, man. Look, enough rain, enough fall, so the river is coming up. You understand? Our good vibes. Beautiful people, wagwan. Yeah, man, we're there, man. It's a good vibe, and as I said, today was based on food. Come in, bring the camera in. Yeah, today, people, was just a vlog. You understand? And I just wanna say thank you to each and every one of you that is on the program, that has been on the program, that has been following 24-Hour Kitchen, following Ringo Vision on this journey. This journey is about embracing the love of food, bringing people together. Do you understand? Encouraging the happiness and the growth of each of us. We all have our own personal things that we're dealing with in life. And I just want to encourage each and every one of you, by the grace of the Most High, nature, the universe, we are all here as one people. You understand? We may have different personalities or different attributes that we can give unto one another, but all I'm trying to say today, yeah, know who you are and love it. Identify yourself and just love it. Just you as a being, as an individual, whether you're black, whether you're white, whether you're Chinese, no matter where you come from in the world, yeah, love you for being you, love you for being here, love you for experiencing the magicalness of life. You understand? Given to all of us from the Most High Creator himself. You understand, people, yeah? And I just want to say this is all about oneness. It's all about together. It's all about building. And it's all about eating healthy and keeping our body in top shape. When I say top shape, I don't mean by going to the gym, having yourself in top shape. I mean in top shape within inside of yourself. So that means the love is on the heights, the happiness is on the heights. You understand? And that's what I mean by top shape, people, yeah? Big up yourself, 24-Hour Kitchen, we're there. Until next time, blessed Sunday, and have a blessed week ahead, people, yeah? Good vibes. Let me say, good vibes. Oh yeah, guess what? Please, if you are at home cooking, what I would like you to do for me, yeah, is to get the Ringo Vision theme track, play it in the background, go on my YouTube channel, you're on the channel now, play the Ringo Vision theme track while you're cooking and tag me on Instagram, or, you understand, people, tag me on YouTube, people, yeah? Big up yourselves, 24-Hour Kitchen, we're there, good vibes. Just quickly, everybody, I just wanted to show you the rain that has just been falling, yeah? Immensely, yeah? Look at the river that I was just walking in earlier this morning, because I've just passed back through the area again. And I'm still on the journey, people, yeah? So our good vibes. We're there, we're outside. Yeah, man, I can't walk in there with my wellies now. Yeah, it's too high now. Yes, everyone, so we're here in Croydon, just off the high street of West Croydon. As you can look around and you see around you, Imagine that. We've got Hospital of the Holy Trinity from 1596 up until 1996. And I've met this gentleman here. I was just
Hello.
about to say I've met this general. He must be a general because he's original born and bred in Croydon. So he has like the history that we're looking for today, people.
Right, this is part of the Whitgift Foundation, and it's the almshouses where residents live. But it's the head office of the foundation itself, which have lots of properties round Croydon. It was set up by the Archbishop of Canterbury in 1596 when Elizabeth I was on the throne. And down by Minster you will have Old Palace, which is where his summer retreat existed, or I should say his country estate. And we've got schools at Whitgift down the road in South Croydon, and you've got Trinity, which is over more towards Shirley. Thank you.
Thank you. And the residents, what are the residents' purposes for being at the premises?
You have to be part of the Church of England in the Diocese of Croydon, Lambeth, or in Kent because of the Archbishop of Canterbury.
Right.
And you're basically of a certain age, over a certain age.
So this building here is a part of obviously education as well, because you said that there's school.
Not this building, the
Okay.
head office is here, but the foundation also do schools.
Okay.
Yeah, and that they do bursaries for children of all gender and age to go to those schools. Yeah, so make it a bit cheaper because they're private schools.
And this head office is based right here, everyone, on the high street of Croydon, West Croydon. We're here. Good vibes. Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure.
Cheers.
All the best.
And yeah, I'm off on my journey. Next stop, look, there we go, in Croydon as well. Croydon's offering you public transport, which is a tram-link service which runs through Croydon to Wimbledon, and it also runs to New Addington, and it also runs to other various places as well. So I'm on my way to East Croydon, people. Good vibes. So just another angle of the building, as you can see it here, just from a different angle, people, yeah? Good vibes. Does Croydon offer a picture house? Yes, so we've got a cinema here, which is just over there, which is the View Grants as well, and it's offering other various places to eat. Good vibes. This is just an overview of the Surrey Street Market, which is a Sunday now, so it's not that busy. You don't have no food stalls out here on a Sunday, but tomorrow, Monday, it'll be vibesy. Pop in, check out other videos that I've put up with Joseph's stall. You can see what the energy is like on other days, but this is a Sunday Surrey Street Market. Just thought I'd come up here and give you a view from above. You understand, people? Good vibes. So this is the next part of Croydon which we've got here, which is the clock tower, and right in front of us there we've got Croydon Library. You understand, people? Yeah, man, good vibes. And as we go further, we're gonna pass Queen's Garden, so we just pass through Queen's Garden as well. Good vibes. Come a bit closer what the library's offering you. Here we go. Health, study, religion, recreation, music. Good vibes. So you know you can come to your local library. Croydon has a local library. This is a big one actually as well, everybody. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, people. I've got some things that I've bought throughout the day today. Got my power bank in, because the battery did die earlier. Good vibes. So this is a tribute to the men and women of Croydon who died and suffered and in memory of those who lost their lives in wars and conflicts since. You understand, people? You can see big development is going on in Croydon as well. So you can see that this particular area here is being fenced off. As you can see that there's going to be buildings, construction work happening. There's a lot of construction work at the moment happening in and around Croydon. Development going on the go. You understand, people? Good vibes. Bernard Weatherhill House. So you know that this building here is like the council building of Croydon, and also offering a job centre next door as well, people. But yes, we're coming through here, taking a walk through this park here. Is called Queen's Park, so the Queen's Gardens. Yeah, so Croydon's got a park, literally, which has just had a new development, and it's actually called Queen's Garden. Yeah, man, you can bring the picnic them here to come and play as well, people. You can also come in here, do various different forms of exercises, use the bars as well. It's got apartments here. Yeah, man, on the go. Let's go to East Croydon, people, because we're on a journey today, yeah? Good vibes, big up yourself, we're there. Yes, people, so as you can see, you've got the clock tower, which has the library there, the council building over there, and we're in the Queen's Garden right here, and right opposite the Queen's Garden we have Fairfield Halls, which is right here. Also literally connected next door is the Croydon College as well, which is there, everybody. And further up that road there you've got the Magistrate Court and things like that. Good vibes. You know Croydon from back in the day, this is the old Blue Orchard Club. It got closed down years ago. And next story to this one here, people, yeah. But if you know Croydon, and Croydon's also home to the Nestle building as well. If you do know that brand, Nestle, you must know Nestle as well. Croydon's built up with loads of underpaths and overpaths as well, people, yeah. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, we're there. A good vibe. So time was against me, so I had to get this train here. Sorry, I couldn't show you the inside, the outside of the train station, but I had to run. I don't want to miss the train. Good vibes, so I've managed to make the train, everybody. Yeah, man. Yes, everyone, so remember this morning now, I did buy the ingredients in the boost, the Scotch bonnet pepper, the lemon, the sussumba, you understand, the turmeric, the ginger. So yeah, we're just gonna have a quick look. This is like a little shot, people, yeah. Just put all of this together and just chew it up. Good vibes. Just I wait for the train to move off. flavours them. Thank you very much, people, for staying tuned with this episode. Wow. Croydon. This one was Ringo Vision day in Croydon. See us start off in the morning, went down to the river, in and out of Croydon, showing you different kind of things to do. You understand? I'm on the train now, going back home, people. Yeah, big up yourself. Until next time, don't forget to go through the channel, check out all the previous episodes that's just been uploaded. Curry chicken back. Remember that the audio track is out now, so I want you guys to get the audio track, play it in the background while you're cooking, do a recording, post it up, tag me. We've got something going on towards the end of the year. We're in that season of giving out gifts, people. Yeah, so 24 Hour Kitchen, we will be sending some things out. Just don't forget to like, comment, do the right thing every time.